Put your foot up here.
Now look at your job, Dad. Bend forward and look
Bob,
down.
down here. Hey, right down here. Let's put your foot up on the footrest. Right here. Uh-huh. Your foot goes there. Come on, you do it. Foot goes up here. Bob, we're going to put your foot up here. Help me. Okay, rest. Okay, we got one more. If you don't want them up there, then you have to use them. That's your choice. Can you kick this foot out?
Yeah.
Stretch. Relax. Okay, but now you slid in your chair. Okay?